4.2 billion people gamble each year in hopes of winning big. You can enter the lottery, play slots online, bet everything on black, bet on sports, and bet on presidential debates. Gambling is literally everywhere in our lives, from online casinos to mobile games. But one part is pretty much untapped: school, more specifically calculators. You might ask yourself, how do I gamble on a fucking calculator? Well, that and so much more I will tell you in this video. We are not just downloading some stupid games. We are going to create our own casino on the TI-84 and make it so addictive math class is fun again. We'll go from a $20 solar powered calculator, which can't even calculate, to a $100 graphic calculator, and we will end with a $150 Python edition calculator. This calculator will give us by far the most options to implement things. The $20 calculator doesn't have many options. It isn't even programmable. It may seem impossible to gamble on this calculator. I mean, it can't really do anything besides some math, but a dedicated gambler always finds a way to gamble. You see, gambling is just numbers. The calculator can do some numbers. What we have here is a function to generate a random number. So how does it help us to gamble? Slots are basically numbers. If matching numbers, you win. So you can generate 3 numbers between 1 and 5. If you get 3 times the same number, you win. But this is literally nothing compared to the possibilities of the next calculator. You see, this next calculator is actually programmable and can compile TI Basic, Easy80, Assembly, and C. You see, C is a pretty popular programming language, so we can use this. So I got to code my slots machine program, but when it was finished, I was met with a problem. For some reason, my program did not work on my calculator. So basically, I found out that C doesn't actually work on there, but I got a genius idea. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite the same code in TI Basic, the main programming language of the calculator. Now that we have the code, let's try it. Well, this did not work. You see, ChatGPT just can't really write in TI Basic. I mean, this is not how to comment something. Neither is this how variables work. And there isn't even an else if statement in TI Basic. With that not working, I just had enough. So I decided to code it myself from scratch in this fucking programming language. After fixing some bugs and thousands of syntax errors, because this calculator is stupid, I got it to work. By the way, if you want to download the game, the links are in the description. Now to the final one. This program will be written in Python, one of the most popular programming languages, with which I also have more experience, and we have so many more options. We started by actually using symbols instead of numbers, so it looks more aesthetically pleasing. I chose these 5 emojis. Following that, I coded the start of the program, where the user says how much he wants to bet. You start with 100 Chinese yen. For some of you trolls, I implemented some functions, so you can't just bet anything, like words or money you don't have. When you gamble all your money away, you can deposit more. For that, I implemented Stripe Payments, which supports 20+ payment. Just joking. I let you enter any number. I also add a text when you enter something that is not a number, and fix some things. Now to the slots. When you get 2 same symbols, you will receive half your bet. If you get all 3 symbols the same, your money will be double, triple, multiplied by 5, or even by 10. But you will win really big if you get these 3 symbols in this order. Your initial bet will be multiplied by 69. Now that we finished programming the slots machine, let's try it out. Anyways, this is basically it of the video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe. I appreciate your support much. Write your ideas in the comments. If we get this video to 100,000 likes, I will show you how to watch Family Guy on the calculator. Anyways, see you next time.